Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast, this is love and rose. When you kiss me, heaven shines, and though I close my eyes, I see love and rose. When you press me to your heart and mean a world apart, a world where roses blooms. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be love you.